Why is it often better to let things go than try to hold on to them? Today, we ask the government to buy our house for 95% of its fire insurance value. Our feelings are mixed. We have been caught in a natural disaster that we see no end to, and it will not be safe to live in the town for the next few years or decades. Laozi said in the Tao Te Ching, "By letting it go, it all gets done." The world is won by those who let it go. But when you try and try, the world is beyond winning. We feel a certain sadness that our home, our town, and our community are no longer ours. This means we need to find another home. We have lived in a rental apartment for the last 4 months, and our belongings are spread across various storage rooms. We are tired and confused and want the situation to end so we can have a home again. Now we are nearing the end of the chapter of having a home, and soon we will have another home where we can put up pictures and arrange our things as we like, where I can have an office for reading and writing, and we can invite people to dinners. It may be counterintuitive to think that when we let things go, we get something else instead, just as valuable or more appreciated than what we had before. What we get in return can be a sense of freedom and the feeling that we can rebuild our lives. We are not bound to anything. I often experience this in teaching. When you stand in front of a group of students, you feel a lot of responsibility. You can give presentations and talks. Yet that's different from what the students need. They need to get to know each other and the curriculum from their perspectives. The teacher's role is to facilitate that approach by creating a few projects or obstacles that students overcome and feel that they have reached the goal. Something unique happens when the teacher removes him or herself from the process and lets the students take over. They become grateful for their freedom and work even harder to learn, and the course becomes much richer and more fun than it would otherwise have been. This is something I have experienced many times. It is often with trepidation that we give things away, release our dog, give someone else a role we thought belonged to us, say goodbye to our loved ones for the last time, and give everything we care about, even eventually the world itself, our own life when we leave this world. But perhaps this gift will be more beloved than we suspect, because we don't necessarily have to be in control of everything that happens, especially not what we can't control, even though we want to. With these words, I would like to say goodbye to my house, town, and community, and be ready to embrace whatever life offers in the future.